Walton family is the richest family in the United States of America. Based on Forbes 2022, the total net worth of Walton family is about $240 billion. Walton family is rich primarily due to the inheritance from the founder Sam Walton through having about 50% ownership in Walmart. Jim Walton is the 16th richest person in Forbes 2022. Jim Walton is currently the chairman and CEO for RICHEST Bank Group. RICHEST Bank is owned by the Walton family. Alice Walton is the 18th richest person in Forbes 2022. Alice Walton opened and focuses on the Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art in her hometown of Bentonville, Arkansas since 2011. Rob Walton is the 19th richest person in Forbes 2022. Rob Walton was the chairman for Walmart from 1992 until 2015. Lucas Walton is the 106th richest person in Forbes 2022. Lucas Walton is the founder and CEO for Builders Vision. These are the Forbes 2022 rankings for Ann, Nancy, and Christy Walton, Companies Billionaires Ratings. Like and subscribe for more.